Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to cover all the steps which anyone can easily use while using the false nails. So these are the glue stickers. It's easily available on online market. These are the false nails. It comes in transparent colors as well as off-white as well. So our first step will be that we will use this glue sticker. Instead of using glue, I use these stickers, but because it's easily removable, we can easily remove this. But if you use glue, then it's like little bit difficult to remove. And for me, it's very difficult, so I prefer to use this glue sticker. So first, you need to take this glue sticker and stick on your nails. You can just try to peel off and just stick on your nails. Like this. Press it little bit for few seconds so that it can get stick properly on your natural nails. So this way, just take all the stickers and stick on your nails.